Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Mark, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Toys R Us dimension and hopefully meeting up with the man himself, Jeffrey, and also getting some absolutely amazing toys in Toys R Us, guys. But what you guys are going to need to head to this absolutely amazing dimension is you're going to need 10 blue wool. You want to place 2 of them just like that. Then you're going to need 4 yellow wool. You want to place 1 of those on each side just like that. Now you just want to go ahead and jump on up and then place 1, 2, 3 blue wool and then 1 yellow wool on top. Now you just want to go ahead, jump on down and then place 1, 2, 3 blue wool on this side, 2 blue wool in the middle, guys, and then 1 yellow wool on the edge. And now you can just go ahead and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created. Now it's time to go ahead and light this baby out with our flint and steel. Boom! Wow, don't that look absolutely amazing? That looks so amazing. That would definitely make me want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button, guys. But now it's time to go ahead and head on into the Toys R Us dimension, guys. Oh my gosh! Whoa! I was not expecting Toys R Us to be this amazing, guys. Like, this looks exactly like the Toys R Us I used to go to, guys. Oh my god, they had Jeff on the building and everything. Wow, this is so amazing. This is so amazing. Oh my god, I can see everybody is shopping at Toys R Us right now. Could you guys help me out and, like, give me a deal on some Minecraft toys? Or maybe, like, you know, tell me where your manager Jeff is? Is Jeff in the building right now? He is in the building? Where's he at? I'm looking for a guy named Jeff. And he's supposed to give me a deal on some Minecraft toys. Right now, it looks like they cleaned all the toys out, guys. Like, it don't look like there's any toys. Like, what happened to all the toys, bro? Like, where's all my Minecraft toys? Oh my gosh. It looks like everybody's going into this room for some reason. Why? Oh my gosh, right there's Jeffrey! Manager Jeffrey! Oh my gosh! How are you doing, Jeffrey? I'm such a big fan. You used to call me when it was my birthday on the phone, and you used to wish me a happy birthday, and I would thank you for that all the time, guys. Like, I would just wait for my birthday to roll around just to get a phone call from Jeffrey. Like, sometimes I lied about my birthday, to be honest. But yeah, I would just wait until he would call me, guys. And it was like the most amazing thing ever. I was like, wow, I cannot believe Jeffrey's actually calling me. Hopefully he'll call you, little boy, when it's your birthday. But I mean, at this point, you're already getting to meet Jeffrey, so maybe you're just being selfish, and maybe you just need to let Jeffrey call me. But let's go ahead, and let's blow this place up with some TNT, and save Jeffrey from all of these villager animals, guys, because they're, like, all over him, and they're not giving me any time with Jeffrey. So let's go ahead. Let's just clear out some of these villagers. Hopefully, we can clear out all the villagers without, you know, clearing out Jeffrey, because I really do want to talk to Jeffrey. So let's go ahead and let's just blow up this beautiful, beautiful Toys R Us, guys. This is such a sad moment because I really do love this Toys R Us, guys. I might have to come back and rebuild this, but let's go ahead and let's blow this up with some TNT, guys, and watch this baby explode. Boom! Whoa! Did you guys see that massive explosion? Oh my god, it went up and out of the roof. Whoa, that was crazy. And oh my god, some of the villagers actually survived. Wow, but Jeffrey survived too, guys. Let's go ahead and try to talk to Jeffrey. I'm going to try to make this jump. I was so close to making the jump, guys. Let's go ahead and try to catch Jeffrey before he runs out of the office. Oh my god, he's on the run. Jeffrey's on the run. Oh my god, we got to catch him. We got to catch Jeffrey. Jeffrey, how has it been? How has it been since you haven't been calling me? Like, you haven't called me in like 5 years on the phone to wish me a happy birthday. Like, what's up with that, Jeffrey? Are we not friends anymore? Like, I still want to be friends with you, Jeffrey. Yeah, we are friends. I just gotta give you my number. I'll just go ahead and give him my number later, guys. And we can just catch up on the good times that we used to have on the phone. I used to laugh. He used to laugh. He used to say, "Hey boy, you're getting pretty old." And I used to say, "Yeah, I am getting pretty old, but I'm not as old as you because you're like super, super old." And that's just how it was, guys. That was our relationship. We had the rough times, the good times, but mostly the good times, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest and greatest Minecraft videos. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.